Hi guys, in this video I would like to set up my Windows 10 VM to connect to Azure AD and enroll on Microsoft Endpoint Manager. So let's just get on to it. Alright, so I will start with manage my account. And then at the moment, as you can see, it is a local account. It's not connected to any Azure Active Directory or normal on-premise Active Directory. Access work at school, hit connect. I'll enter my username. So it has to be, I will join this device to Azure Active Directory. That's what I will do. Enter my username and password. So let's just put Teza testbed.net. Okay. Sign in. All this. Okay, it asked me to do the additional security verification. Set it up now. Okay, there are two ways of doing that. Method 1 or 2 it says app. So I want to use a different authenticator app, or I can use Microsoft Authenticator. You can go and download that. I have downloaded on my mobile device. I hit next and I set up my account. So I will show you at the same time. So if I connect to this mobile device, this is my phone. Okay. So I stop broadcasting. Okay. So this is my mobile and my iPhone authenticator. Alright, so what I will have to do here, set up my account, hit next, and then scan the QR code. I have to scan the QR code. I add the new account, work or school account, scan QR code. Okay, it picked up my default directory, so which is teza.net, and then I get the one-time password code. I have to enter that. Okay, so I will close that. I'll have to approve that, and that's it. I'll have to close that. Let me just close it. Alright. recent notification. Approve it. Okay, notification is approved. Hit next. Wait, what? Okay, there was only a recent. I thought I just needed just one um, link for that. Okay, anyways, enter that success. Okay, you have successfully set up my security info. Okay, that's done then. Seems to be okay so far. Okay, we'll pop up with a message. Make sure this is my organization. I will join. I'll maximize my screen. You all set? My device is connected to default directory. Okay. Select my account picture when the account is ready. Start button and then select the account picture and then switch account. Okay, and then sign in using Teza.tech. Okay, this is actually connected right now. Okay, Teza.techspec.net. Alright, so let's take a look. Who am I? Will still be this. And if I do ds reg cmd and then status. Okay, let's take a look. What does it say? Okay, Azure AD join is yes. Now Azure AD join is yes. It's device. Okay, device authentication status is success. Okay, what else can I see? Okay, you can see over here MDM compliance URL. You can see the MDM compliance URL, so that seems to be fine. Okay, and then MDM URL, etc. Okay, user state. User state. I don't need that. Okay, this is what you can see from here. Alright, what I would do, I will also check my event viewer. Event viewer. Alright, in the event viewer, I'll go to application and services. Oh, let's just wait for a bit in progress. It's just taking some sweet time. Okay, well, what about certificates? It is manage user certificate and computer certificate. I will just go to computer certificates. Okay. Okay, go to personal certificates, and I can see, okay, three certificates there. I can see my Intune MDM device certificate, and I can see MS organization access certificates. So that seems to be fine, right? That looks alright to me. And let me just get back to event viewer, and then application and services, and then Microsoft. I have to go to Microsoft, and then I have to go to Windows, and I have to go to device user device. Let me just expand this a little bit. user device registration. Okay, so here I can see the logs. So it says warning, user device registration logged. Warning, what is a warning? Hello for business provisioning will not be launched. So that's fine. I haven't actually set it up yet. The device is AAD join Azure Active Directory join and domain join. So yes, so that is fine. That is what I needed. Okay, device sync was successfully enabled, so that's fine. So if you want to go through the user logs, you can go through that. Okay, so at the moment, from what I can see from my Windows device, that seems to be fine. So let's just go back to Azure Active Directory and then go to devices. So who am I? Is TextBack PC. Refresh that. Come on, log me in, please. I just have to pause for a bit. Okay, so sorry guys, I just got disconnected. Alright, so let's just get back to this. I am actually logged in with, I have to log in with Teza at Teza, no, tag.net. I think the, oh no, that's not the password. What about this? Okay, I've been logged in. So let's just wait for it, or I can just go to Azure Active Directory and then go back to my devices. Okay, oh, I can see the device, that TextBack PC, okay, which I just added to Azure Active Directory, and then MDM, you can see that it is with Microsoft Intune. So its join type is Azure AD join. Okay, that's why you can see it on Azure AD, and its MDM is Microsoft Intune. So if I go to TextBack endpoint. Alright, if I go to my devices, I should also be able to see this device. Okay, why is it Windows not showing up? Okay, if I go to Windows devices, okay, it just actually lists up, put up there. The compliance says it's compliant. I haven't actually set up compliant policy, but by default, it's just using the default policy. I would say, okay, it is managed by Intune. Okay, I have no other data at the moment. It is managed by Intune. Its operating systems Windows or OS version last check-in enrolled by this account. So that's what it says. Okay, so basically that is how you add enroll the device on Microsoft Endpoint Manager. Alright. Okay, thanks. Thank you very much.